I'm back with another Divi 5 update, and this time I'm excited to give you an early look at Divi 5's new interface. It's not finished yet, but there's still plenty to explore. Divi 5 is getting a new look. It works the same way it always has, so don't worry about the new interface throwing you for a loop. It's all going to feel very familiar. We haven't changed what you can do with Divi, but we hope you will enjoy doing what you do even more with a faster and less cumbersome interface. Divi 5 represents raw speed and efficiency. The UI should serve those goals. The first thing you'll notice about Divi 5 is that it's crazy fast. There's absolutely no delay as you hover, click, edit, and move items around, and it can handle extensive pages like never before. We also removed all animations because we don't want anything slowing you down. We reduced the footprint of the interface to give your designs more room to breathe. You can dock multiple, smaller sized panels to the side of the browser without them overlapping your content or getting in your way. In this example, I have my Layers panel docked to the left and my Settings panel docked to the right. The Settings panel is automatically populated as I click around the page, and when I edit something, the feedback is instantaneous. Divi 5 gives you much more control over the builder's layout. You can dock, undock, or combine panels into tabbed windows. If you prefer to have all windows closed and one floating settings panel, just like Divi 4, then that's an option too. With click mode as the default interaction mode and new breadcrumbs in each settings panel, which allow you to access parent elements quickly, navigating the page is easier than ever. You won't struggle to find or click on anything you want to edit. We still need to make improvements and add missing pieces, but this early look should give you a good idea of what to expect when we release the public alpha in the coming months. We got a lot of other stuff done over the past month too. Building the new interface was relatively simple. All of the major work is happening behind the scenes where we are building a solid foundation that will serve the community for many years, which involves complete redevelopment of all Divi's core features and modules. We fixed more bugs, wrote more developer docs, and converted a bunch of modules such as the post slider, blog, post navigation, filterable portfolio, full width menu, and full width portfolio. If you want to browse the changelog, swing by the blog post linked in the video description. Every time we finish a new feature or module, we get one step closer to the public alpha, where we want to have enough of Divi's most popular features and modules ready to make that first version usable to a broad audience. That's all for this month's Divi 5 update. In other news, we have a new Divi AI feature coming out soon that I'm excited about. We've already created AI tools for text, image, and code generation. Next, we're putting it all together to enable you to generate entire layouts with AI. Just tell Divi AI what kind of page you want, and it will construct the layout, generate the images, write the content, and customize the fonts and colors. In a matter of seconds, you have an entire page ready to go, and you can jump into Divi's design settings to put on the finishing touches, or use Divi's AI tools to refine the results further. Stay tuned for the release of Divi Layouts AI, and don't forget to check back next month for another Divi 5 update. If you never want to miss an update, be sure to follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.